Hi, everybody. Today I want to talk about virtual tours. Okay, so we've done a lot to make sure that our homes have virtual tours, whether it's a Matterport tour, we've got drone videos, we've got video tours in the back office where we've stitched together all the different images into a video. But how do you promote those on social media? How do you promote all these things that you've worked on and created and really get people to notice what you have? So that's what I want to talk about today is virtual tours. Today I want us to start off by logging into CB Exchange. Now remember when you log in, your username is generally follows the format of first name dot last name at coldwellbanker.com. Okay, that's your username. If you forgot your password, you can just click on forgot my password and it'll send you a password reset link. Okay, so let's log into CB Exchange. What I want us to look for is BrandServe. This is a tile. This is where we get our DBA logos and things like that. But they've just uploaded a lot of new content, and I want us to check it out. Okay? So when you want somebody to see your virtual tour, there's a lot of options to choose from here. I just want to take a quick minute and show you a couple other things. You can download these images and customize them. You can make them say like guiding you home to the place where, we take naps together or, whatever it is. You can take these images. This one is a hometown hero. And I really like this one. You can upload the image of somebody that you know, whether they work in healthcare, whether they're a first responder, all the different types of things. And then you can put their name, what their job is, and then the city and state. So, you have an image of a healthcare worker, and you can say, these are the nurses at Navicent Health Center, Macon, Georgia, whatever it is. That's a really cool one. But let's talk about virtual tours. Right now, we have a couple. You could have just virtual open house like this, and it would be real simple. You could put a picture where this girl is of your house. You could say, I'm here to serve your real estate needs virtually, and just maybe put your image there, and it gives some information about you. I like this one because we can put a picture of the home and a picture of you and your information together in one thing. So that's the one we're going to walk through today, how to do this one. So we're going to click on it. And it's going to pull it up and it's going to tell you exactly what it is. So this image we can customize, and I see it a little bit better, and you know what, I really like that. This is the image I would like to customize for myself. So I'm going to hit this blue button that says customize. Now it's going to pull up a bunch of information for me to fill out, like a form. Okay, so we see that it's kind of a long form, but it's really not that long. We'll walk through it together. So the first thing is the headline. The headline is this right here where it says virtual open house. So we can select if you want to really promote something you just sold recently, a new price, all those things. You can click on any of these. I'm going to click on virtual open house because that's what we're going to promote. The house that I'm going to use as an example for this does have a Matterport tour. It is great. Matterport tours show you every nook and cranny inch of a house. So it's a great virtual tour to have. So since we do have that virtual open house, that's the one I'm going to use. This is a listing that Cindy Alexander has. She's one of our agents in the Macon office. It's 1464 Twin Pines Drive. And I'm going to put Macon. Oh no. Okay, and this home is $700,000. It's 6,476 square feet. So whatever your home is, put that in there. The agent name is Cynthia Alexander. Okay, now where you go to put in the phone number is where it gets a little tricky. It makes sense, but just so you know, you put the area code for the office in, and then you do the first three digits of the office number, and then you do the last three digits of the office number. Why do you break it up into three sections like that? Because it needs to know where to put it over here. 555 dot, 555 dot, it needs to know where to put those dots. So that's why you break it up. And then we have the cell phone number. So Miss Cindy's cell phone number, I have it written down so I can put it in here correctly. 2, 3, and then she's 2449. Okay, so once again, it's the area code, the first 3 digits of the phone number, and the last 4 digits. And then her email address is calexander@cvssk.com. License format. So you could put your license number in here. I'm going to say no license number. Okay. Now, this is important. You put your license number here, or you have to put NA if you're not from California or Hawaii. So if you don't put NA in this field, it won't let it process to the next step. It'll keep telling you you've missed something. All right. Okay, back up here. I'm going back to the top because I realized when I saw that I had missed. We've got to add an image of the house, okay? So you want where this image of this girl is, you want an image of your home, the home that has a virtual tour. So we're going to add an image. You could click and choose to upload a file. I've already uploaded this picture of Cindy's house. So the blue images around it, I'm going to hit select. No license number. We're going to add Cindy's image. She's the agent, so you would upload your headshot here. So I'm going to select that. Now we need our DBA. So right here it says Coldwell Banker, and it wants to have our DBA there. We're Coldwell Banker Access Realty. So instead of scrolling through the list, I'm going to just type in the search bar, Access. I can start typing it, and it pulls it right up for me. So just a real quick overview. We wanted it to say virtual open house. We uploaded an image of the front of the house. We typed in the address. Then we typed in some property information. In this case, I put in the price and the square footage. You might want to put in something a little different. We did the agent name, then the first 3 digits of the office phone number, the area code of the office, the first 3 digits of the office number, the last 4 digits of the office number, and then the same thing with the cell phone. Area code, first 3 digits, last 4 digits. We did our email address. We do not want to put our license number. We have to put NA in this box or it will not process it. We uploaded our image. We have our DBA. Okay, so I agree that I have the rights to use this content that I've uploaded. So we're gonna generate that proof. Okay. All right, so let's view our proof and see what it looks like. Takes a little bit of time. Here we go. Now, everything that's in pink is what we chose. Those are options that we had. So they will be in white when we download it and select it. But right now they're in pink, just so you know that that's something that could be changed, okay? So this is the name, the location, says everything. Okay, I think I like it. So I'm going to go with this. So I'm going to click this box right beside. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to say add to cart. All right, and then I'm going to click continue. All right, and now I'm going to place that order. And it's going to think about it. All right, so we have this image customized, gives you all the information. We want to download that file. So it's downloading it. All right, now remember I said that when we went to the back office, this particular home has a Matterport tour that goes with it. So I'm going to grab this link. I'm going to copy it. And now we're going to go to Facebook. So I want to upload this onto Facebook. Okay. So I can put it right here. What's on your mind, Tiffany? You can go to your Facebook business page. You can go wherever you want that you have access to upload it to, your business page or your personal page. Okay, this is where this file downloaded. We watched it download right here. So we're just going to click it. We're going to drag it and drop it. Okay, so this is the image that we created that said, you know, I have a virtual tour. Okay, so now I've got to say something about it. Check out this virtual tour. Okay, now I just grabbed that link, right? And it is, I am with Cindy Alexander. Facebook knows it's so creepy. Okay, Control V. This is her Matterport link, okay? So I'm going to post it. So you will be able to see what it looks like, okay? Because it recognized Cindy's face, it automatically tagged her in my post, okay? So check out this amazing virtual tour. The picture fills up the width of the news feed, okay? So it's a really pretty image. It has, you know, our logo with our DBA, has her information. Also notice that this is a clickable link for the Matterport. So if I click on that, it opens up the Matterport tour. So we can really look at, you know, I've seen enough of the house. I want to see more. You know, that image on the news feed was captivating enough. Let me look around. Let me see more about this home, whatever. So that's a good way, a simple way for you to create virtual open houses images to share on social media. There are other ones you can create here in BrandServe. There's a lot of options. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what you create for your virtual tours and your virtual open houses. I'm looking forward to seeing those on Facebook. So if you have any questions, reach out, ask me, let me know. We'll work together on it. But I hope that helps you come up with some good images to share on social. I'll talk to you later.